Today we're getting a bit more industrial. We're going to install a bumper for a high-rise rack onto a concrete floor. You will need following materials. You will need a rotary hammer and an according hammer drill bit. I would recommend our Duster Expert, which has the big advantage that it will clean out the borehole while drilling, and that saves you a lot of time when you put the epoxy in afterwards. Of course, don't forget your personal protection equipment. After marking the boreholes with your bumper as a template, you put the drill bit into your hammer, connect the vacuum cleaner and start drilling. You just let it run for a second to center the drill bit and continue drilling until you reach the required depth. Yes, there is no need for extra cleaning. You can install the epoxy right away, taking care of the instructions of the manufacturer. And use the bumper as a template again to install the threaded rods into the epoxy. Wait tightening the nuts, because else you will extract the bolts from the epoxy. Great having you here. Thanks for watching.